In this video, I will be using Lightroom Mobile app to edit this photo. And there's a new feature in the Lightroom Mobile app. There is a masking and we will use that. So I'm also going to use in the first time. Let's see how it goes. So first we will color grade the image. We'll simply play with the color green.
Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal.
Decrease the highlight.
Feel like I'm sinking underwater.
Decrease the black.
Feel like I'm going over the falls.
And let's move to the new feature, that's masking. So I will create a subject mask first. So select subject. It will take some time to detect the subject. So it's done. So let's just reverse the selection. So we will be editing the rest of the part first. So let's change the color, decrease the brightness, so the subject gets more exposure. So now it looks like the picture has been taken in the night time or very dark theme. So again we will go to the mask and select the subject. So select the subject and it will again, now we will edit the subject. So click on that, click on shadow, increase the contrast, highlight whites, also the few exposure, increase the saturations little bit. Yeah, now go to the detail, remove the noise. So with the simple editing of the masking, it gives a very different look. It looks so nice. This way, with the simple tricks using the masking tool on the Lightroom, you can give a very different effect to the photos without doing too much of editing. Here is the output. You see, with the simple clicks, I change the whole look of the image.
Once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses instead of dreaming of things we miss.